Good day, everyone. It is Friday, the 27th of March, 2020. This is Athens-Clarke County Mayor Kelly Girtz coming to you again with some updates. Before I get into some specifics, I just want to tell you all that I've been so blown away by the way that the Athens community has pulled together and supported one another, both in terms of social distancing, staying at least 6 feet apart from one another, but more significantly in terms of the way that you have worked with one another to provide necessary resources. Whether that's those situations that I've just heard about of people going into your place of business and getting rolls of toilet paper to hand out to those who couldn't get it on their own, or businesses like Tzatziki's or Academia Brewing, who on an alternate basis are providing meals for our Daily Bread Homeless Service Center. I am just so impressed. Your beauty and your grace is going to be with me for the rest of my days. So I need to thank you for that. These weeks ahead are not going to be easy, just like these last couple of weeks are not going to be easy. But it's because of the kind of wonder that you've shown to one another that we're going to be able to make it through. I know you're continuing to teach your kids at home. You're continuing to find a way to make things work. You're continuing to make those infrequent trips out when you do need groceries and you do need medicine. And we're all going to get through this together. A couple of resources that I do want to make you aware of that are evolving. One is that if you go to our website, accgov.com/coronavirus, you now can report businesses or gatherings that need to come into compliance with our ordinance. So please make us aware of those. The more specific you can be, the better. It allows our wonderful police department, our fantastic code enforcement folks to find those places and let people know this is for our collective health and our collective safety. For the young people who are in our community, or in some cases who are just coming back after an extended spring break, I know you feel like you're 10 feet tall and bulletproof, but the reality is you can be a vector of infection and pass it on to other people, and you do not want to do that. There's also a Spanish version of our website that's up at accgov.com/COVID-19-ES. I believe those words will be on the screen through the magic of our fantastic Public Information Office crew who are doing such yeoman's work getting information out. There are also some important flyers like this one. Stay home, stay healthy, keep distance, and keep connected. You can find these on our website and print them out for your neighborhood, your home, your place of business, or your nonprofit. And we have them in English and in Spanish. Also, we have a COVID-19 information line that has been stepped up. This isn't a place to call if you have symptoms or you believe you've got medical needs. Please continue to call either your primary provider, Athens Regional Medical Center's line, St. Mary's, or the Department of Public Health line if you do have symptoms. But if you have questions about our local response, questions about our ordinance, we want you to call 706-613-3333. Again, that's 706-613-3333. This is going to be staffed as able. We're going to have staff there frequently, but not all the time. So if you get voicemail, please leave a message and you will get a call back. There are also going to be Spanish-speaking folks who can call you back as well if Spanish is your primary language. Before I go, I want to let you know about a little bit of work that's forthcoming from myself and the County Commission. As you may know, we've allocated at least $3 million of local funds, and we're going to be looking for some other sources of funds to direct toward emergency needs and recovery needs. While we probably have several weeks to go, we want to position ourselves well to bounce back strong. We've, of course, been paying attention to the federal package that today on Friday should see passage in the House of Representatives in Washington, D.C., and a signature of the President. But we know that there are going to be gaps left that need to be filled locally. We know we've got some significant vulnerable populations, and we want to be particularly acutely aware of their needs. And we also want to ask ourselves, how can we take this very challenging time and learn from this moment? So commissioners and I are going to be meeting in a virtual work session on Tuesday, the 31st of March at 5:30. And you can see that on our Facebook page, our YouTube stream, and accgov.com. And we're going to be discussing what our emergency measures are going to be, as well as what our recovery measures could look like as well over a series of tiers. So I ask you to tune into that. As is always the case at our work sessions, we don't take public input, but I think this will give everybody some consciousness about what we're going to be seeing in the days and weeks and months ahead. Again, you've been doing such a great job taking care of each other and taking care of this beloved community. I thank you for that work. I'll be coming to you soon. God bless.